Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. We are going to do a cash envelope stuffing. I have my money here. It's gonna be really short, sweet, to the point. I'm gonna organize it right now. So we have about $4.50 something. Okay, yes. So I'm going to start with my cash envelopes, my expense, which is daycare. I already paid half of daycare, so I budgeted $4.50. I already paid half of that, which is 1 week of the tuition. Now I'm going to do the other half and put this into my binder. That is going to be under utility and rent. I need to change the name, but it's going to be under utility and rent. So that is $225. That's $220, and then we're gonna do 5 singles. Double check. 1, 2, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we are going to do a self-care since we're already here. Self-care has $50. That is what I'm going to use to buy any materials I need to prep for my vacation that's happening in the next week. So 2, 10, 2, 4, 5, 50. The last amount is going to be for the couples goals, which is 2, 4, $40. Now we are going to follow up with my $1 challenge. I know I have some dollar bills here. Ooh, that was loud. I know I have some dollar bills here. Let's see what we have. I have a lot of change as well. So I need to actually go through. So far I have 1, 2, $3. So this is how much money, how many dollar bills that I accumulated from the last pay period that I didn't spend. Well, technically it's a dollar challenge. You're not supposed to spend it when you get it. So this is how much I have. I didn't really take cash last time. So 1, 2, 3. Open it up. $1. Take everything out. I want to see how much I have so far. This is the fun part when you get to track how much and count how much you have saved. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Not bad. Not bad. I will be using my budget planner that is listed on Freeport Creations Etsy shop to track my savings. So far, I stopped at $291. Now we are at, the current amount is $600. So let me write that. So yeah, so the current balance is $600. So I'm just gonna get as close to $600 as I can, based off of the amount of each wallet. So the goal is 7,700 and the amount of the wallet is 96 and 25 cents. Is this the same color? I hope so. So we have exceeded this amount. If you want just the tracker, you can purchase that. You don't have to purchase the whole budget planner to have the tracker. I think this is the closest I can get to 600. It took me a while to do the calculations. Oh, this is not even the same color. Oopsie. Oh well. Like, I'm still not done calculating. I stopped at 4,000 and we have this much left. I did the calculations to see how much money should I put aside each month to reach these goals in a timely fashion. And when I say timely, I mean a 12-month radius. Like, I don't want to be doing this past 12 months. So this is the goal. The goal is if I do, what happened? How did I get back there? Let's get back here. So the goal is if I do 600 a month, I'll be done in 12 months. If I do 770 a month, I'll be done in 10 months. I feel like 8 months is a stretch. 963. I don't know if I could do that a month, but I think I'm in good hands. If I continue this is gonna work. I'll be done in no time if all goes well. So I'm at 600. Next check, I believe I'll be at 900. Not yet, at 900, and then keep going. So this is it. I did my cash stuffing, tracked my savings, my digital savings, and we're done for today. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.